The phone is ringing. Hello, who is on the phone?
Hello, I am the stranger man.
Oh my God! I'm really so afraid. But what do you want from me?
I want to know, what are you doing here?
I want to present a course which is entitled The Pharmacology Flavor for Hyperlipidemia in Palestine for my friends.
Okay, but what's your name?
My name is M-A-R-A-M. I am Maram Ishtaya.
What is your academic degree and position?
I'm a pharmacist and American Studies student.
Where are you from?
I'm from Palestine.
Okay. But what is your outline? Tell us quickly, or I will put you in the prison.
No. Don't put me in the prison. I will tell you the outline of my course. Okay. My course consists of 4 sections. The first section is a background, and this section contains the following key points. What is the definition of hyperlipidemia? Reasons of hyperlipidemia. Management of hyperlipidemia. The sequences of hyperlipidemia. And lipoprotein composition. And I want to talk about the 4 kinds of lipoproteins.
Okay, but what's about the second section?
The second section is about the kinds of cholesterol, and it contains the following key points. The first key point is about triglycerides. The second key point tells us something about what does HDL cholesterol perform. The third key point tells us about what does LDL cholesterol perform.
What's about the third section?
The third section is about the lipid standards.
What is about the fourth section?
The fourth section is about medicines, the lower triglyceride standards, and I want to talk about the following families. The first family is about statins, and it includes the following drugs: atorvastatin, simvastatin, rosuvastatin. The second family is about fibrates, and it includes the following drugs: bezafibrate and ciprofibrate. The third family is about cholesterol reuptake inhibitor, and it includes the drug which is called ezetimibe.
Okay, let us see. What do you have?